Welcome to my channel. So now I am going to teach some shoulder exercise. So this shoulder exercise, in our body the shoulder is the very weak joint. So you able to know some frozen shoulder or in the old age some periarthritis shoulder and all, it will affect our shoulder joint. And any sports people also they will get some pain due to gym activity or some tennis and some other volleyball or cricket, all this thing, it will give some pain. So to avoid the pain and avoid the injury or any or to reduce the pain, these exercise it will helpful, and you are able to see some having some weakness and muscles are very weak. It will be there for the females. So they will doing this exercise means it will strengthen the muscles also, the arm muscles also it will reduce. So welcome, and I am going to start now. So first you start this exercise 1, 2, that like 10 to 15 repetition you want to do, and to increase the range of motion this exercise it will helpful. Anti-clockwise and clockwise direction. Okay, so and next you want to keep your hand this leg and try to touch and back. This is the third exercise you want to do. And fourth exercise is you want to keep this leg and try to touch and back this leg. And this is the fifth exercise. You want to increase this leg and up and down this leg. Okay, this is the shoulder exercise, and you sit and do this like one up and one down this leg. Okay, so next standing you do this exercise. This leg you want to bring it down, from down to up this leg, this exercise. And you know that old people and all were doing in the school this like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This like exercise. And I am going to teach the next shoulder exercise, the pendulum exercise. So you want to slightly bend, and you want to keep this. This is the position. This is the position. You want to do this like swing and through movement. Okay, swing and through movement, and this in this position you want to do the sideways. It's like sideways you want to do, and again clockwise. The third exercise is clockwise and clockwise. Now I am going to do some wall ladder exercise. So you imagine this is a wall. You are standing this like, you want to keep the hand elbow straight, and you want to go up. So how much you are able to go up and come back, the full range, come back, and in the side movement also go up and come down this leg. So these are the exercise. It will helpful for the shoulder and you will get good strength. So this is important exercise. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.